Hey everyone, my name is Denis Sapogov. My major is marketing, and this is my Tableau project for marketing 3613 class, and my U number is 100-506-11. In my dataset I have 10 different columns. It's gender, age, relationship status, children, state, preferred cold beverages per day, preferred drinking location, favorite sparkling water flavor, most important reason for carbonated beverage. In this assignment I have to create at least 3 visualizations and make an interactive dashboard. This is my first visualization called Preferred Cold Beverages in All States by Males. Here we can see that in Georgia, males who are 39 years old on average drink 5 diet carbonated cold beverages per day. Flavored sparkling water, most preferred by males who are 49 years old in Louisiana, 43 in Alabama, and 40 years old in Georgia on average. Iced coffee is most preferred by 39 years old males in Georgia, and sport drinks are most preferred by 39 years old males in South Carolina on average. This is my second visualization, and here I have preferred cold beverages in all states for females. What's interesting here is that in South Carolina, females who are 42 years old on average drink 8 cold beverages per 1 day, which is a lot. Iced coffee, females who are 37 years old in Tennessee drink 7 cold beverages, iced coffee per day as well. And here in Mississippi, females who are 43 years old on average drink 7 unflavored sparkling water bottles per day. This is my third visualization called Favored Sparkling Water Flavor in All States. Favorite sparkling water flavor in all states for both gender, for males and females. Here in North Carolina we can see that families who have 2 children on average prefer custom flavor for sparkling water. In Florida, people who have 3 children on average prefer gummy bear water flavor. In South Carolina, people who don't have any children also prefer gummy bear. Key lime pie is the most preferred flavor for sparkling water in North Carolina for males and females who have from 1 to 2 children in their families. This is our outlier. In Mississippi, people who have 3 children on average prefer pina colada flavor for their sparkling water, and watermelon flavor is preferred for people with 2 children on average in their families in Georgia and in South Carolina. So this is my next visualization, and this is just a map of the given states from the dataset. Here we have Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, North and South Carolina, and Tennessee. This is my interactive dashboard, and according to this dashboard we can say that males and females in Tennessee and North Carolina do not drink a lot of cold beverages. In South Carolina, people who are 39 years old, they drink a lot of sport drinks, and if they have 2 children on average, their most preferred water flavor is custom or watermelon. In Mississippi, and Georgia, people drink a lot of cold beverages. In Georgia, the most preferred flavor is watermelon, and in Mississippi it's pina colada. For people who have 5 children on average. In Florida, people prefer iced coffee, tap water, and sometimes iced tea. And their most preferred water flavor is gummy beer.